Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Mazlin Mohd Rijal. Okay, today I want to present about subtopic 4.4, how information system affects law for establishing accountability and liability and the quality of everyday life. Okay, now we will start with computer-related liability problems. In order to determine who is liable for illegal activity of the kind, so far it have been discussed, it is necessary to know how computer information systems are viewed by the law. Computer information system may be seen by the law as analogous to anyone of the other communication media such as a newspaper or common carriers, or they may be seen as a unique media. Generally, it's very difficult to hold a software producer liable for their software products that are considered to be like books, regardless of the physical or economic harm that result. Historically, print publisher of books and periodicals have not been held liable because of few of the liability claims will interfere with the First Amendment right guaranteeing freedom of expression. The kind of harm software failure cause rarely fatal and typically inconveniences user but does not physically harm them. Okay, the second one is system quality, which means the data quality and system error. Okay, number one is software bugs and error. Software bugs is an error in the programming of software or an apps. Bugs cause problem ranging from stability issues to operability problems and are usually due to human errors during the programming process. They may be the result of a mistake or an error, or they could stem from a fault and defect. Software bugs should be caught during the testing phase of the software development life cycle, but some can go undetected until after deployment. Okay, number two is a hardware or facility failure. At 55%, hardware failure is the number one cause of downtime for small to mid-sized business, which several level redundancy of various components such as multiple power supplies, network controllers, and hard drives. It's amazing like your bases are covered still, like any other disaster, no one can predict when the as an example, when the air conditioning will fail on a hot day, what's the unforeseen event will trigger at a widespread power outage. Okay, number three is a poor input data quality. Poor data quality can create mistrust, can reflect adversely on your organization, lowering customer confidence, and if the data wrong, time, money, and reputation can be lost. Poor data quality cause inefficiency in thus business process, which depend on data reports, ordering product, voter registration, and just about everything else for which facts are required. This inefficiency result in a very expensive rework effort to fix data in order to meet the requirement of various process. Okay, next we will go to the point number 3, which is quality of life, equity, access, and boundaries. The point number 1 is computer crime and abuse. New technologies, including computer, create new opportunities for committing crime by creating new valuable items to steal, new ways to steal them, and new ways to harm others. Computer crime is the commission of illegal act through the use of computer or against a computer system. Computers or computer system can be objected of the crime, like destroying a company, computer center of a company, also files, and stealing a valuable financial data by illegally gaining access to computer system using a home computer. So simply accessing a computer system without authorization or with intent to do harm, even by accident, is now a federal crime. Okay, point number 2 is a rapidity of change, a reduced response times to competitions. Okay, in information system have to create much more efficient national or international market. The now more efficient global marketplace has reduced the normal social buffers that permitted businesses many years to adjust to competition. Time-based competition has an ugly side, that which means the business you work for may not have enough time to respond to global competitors and may be wiped out in a years along with your job. Okay, the third one is dependence and vulnerability. Today, our business, government, school, and private associations such as church are incredibly depend on information system and are therefore highly vulnerable if this system should fail. With a system now as ubiquitous as the telephone system, it's startling to remember that there are no regulatory or standard setting forces in a place similar to telephone, electrical, radio, television, or other public utilities technologies. The absence of standards and the criticality of some system application will probably call for demands for national standard and perhaps regulatory oversight. Okay, the last point for information system affected law is a healthy risk, which means RSI, CVS, and cognitive decline. RSI occur when muscle groups are forced through repetitive action, often the high impact of loads such as tennis or tens of thousands repetition under low impact loads, such as working at a computer keyboard. So RSI is avoidable. Designing workstation for a natural breath position, proper monitor stands, and footrest contribute to proper posture and reduce RSI. RSI is not the only occupational illness computer cause. Back and neck pain, leg stress, and foot pain also result from poor ergonomic design of a workstation. Computer vision syndrome also refers to any eye strain condition related to computer display screen use. It is symptoms which are usually temporary, include headache, blur vision, and dry and irritated eyes. Okay, in addition, computer technology may be harming our cognitive functions, or at least changing how we think and solve problems. Although the internet has made it much easier for people to access, create, and use information, some experts believe that is also preventing people from focusing and thinking clearly. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.